Is there anything more American than this? Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike, and I've got a very simple but great recipe for you today that we're going to do out on the Blackstone Griddle. Before we get to that, if you're a returning subscriber, I want to thank you so much for your support. Our channel's growing at an incredibly fast pace, and it's because I have supporters, and I really truly do appreciate that. As I've told you guys before, this channel's dedicated to my wife and kids, so to see it succeeding at the pace it is, it just means the world to me. Thank you guys very much. So today we're going to be doing some double bacon cheese smash burgers, and we're going to be premiering a product on this show today that I don't think any other YouTuber has used yet other than the guy who made it, and that is the THIN Ballistic Smasher. So this is a thinner version of the Ballistic Barbecue Burger Smasher, and I think other than Greg at Ballistic Barbecue, I think I'm the first one to get my hands on one of these and use it in a video, so I'm excited about that. I'm going to adjust this camera shot and I'll show you my ingredients. Alright, so here's what we're working with. We've got two 80-20, roughly quarter-pound ground beef patties, which I'm going to be smashing out on the griddle when we get out there. We've got two nice strips of bacon. We've got some deli fresh white American cheese, some fresh tomato, onion, some dill pickle, and of course a beautiful hamburger bun. Real quick, I want to give a special thank you out to John Boo's company. You know, I needed a larger cutting board here for my viewers to kind of have a little bit better experience when I'm displaying my ingredients, and John Boo's company was kind enough to send me this board. It's beautiful. I really appreciate it, and I'm telling you, the quality of this thing is unlike any other cutting board I've ever seen. So check them out. I'll put a link to that in my description. Alright, back to this. Now that you've seen what the ingredients are, I'm going to go ahead and get that Blackstone preheated. I'll meet you guys outside. It's a beautiful day. No need for jackets or hats today, alright? Come on outside, let's hang out together and make this burger. We'll go ahead and start with this bacon. Alright, we'll give these a quick flip. Sounds, smells, and looks delicious. Alright, this bacon's about maybe halfway through. I'm going to go ahead and slide it back. It's time to put those burgers on. Alright, here we go. Patty. The debut of the THIN Ballistic Smasher. Here we go. That's beautiful. Guys, that really makes a nice thin patty. Alright, let's go ahead and season this. A little bit of garlic salt. A little bit of black pepper. Okay, here we go. We've got some juices coming up from the top. It should be time to flip. Oh yeah, look at that crust. These look phenomenal. Okay, now that we flip, let's go ahead and get some cheese on these because they're going to cook very quickly. Our bacon's looking just perfect. It's going to be a great burger, guys. Alright, we're going to get this bun down here for a little quick toast. Alright, bun's got a little toast on it. I say it's time to build a burger. Okay, so we've already got some mayo on that bottom bun. Patty 1. Patty 2. Now, of course, that beautiful bacon. Nice slice of tomato. Some onion. I like lots of pickle. Now we're going to drop a little bit of mustard here. Some nice ketchup. And of course, our crown. All right, it's time to take this thing inside and see how we did. All right guys, so here's what we got. This looks beautiful. I can't wait to give it a try. Now, normally I would cut this in half, but when we get a burger like this at a restaurant or at a bar or grill or whatever, we don't cut them in half, we pick them up and eat them. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's give this thing a try. All right, it's a handful. Cheers, everybody. I always say it, but that is a good burger. The THIN Ballistic Smasher really gave me the perfect size patty here to go double. I'm pretty sure that from now on when I smash burgers, it's going to be with that thin one. That's crazy good, guys. Okay, so closing, I just want to thank everybody for watching. I want to thank Ballistic BBQ for making that. Actually, Craig Court makes it for Ballistic BBQ, but that is an awesome smasher. I'm going to put a link to it down in the description of the video so you guys can check it out. I highly recommend it. I'm not sponsored by Craig Court or Ballistic BBQ, but I believe in sharing good products with my viewers, and that's a good product. Till next time, take care, cheers, I'll see you on the next episode.